What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over our friend Matic. Hope everybody's doing well. Am I in focus? Yeah. All right. Okay. Currently we're down 5% on the day. Same market cap of 7.19 billion. 24-hour volume is down to 443 million. Let's hop into the chart. So a couple scenarios. The first one is we are looking at an extended wave 5, which is here in blue, where we put in a wave 1, wave 2 pullback, and now we're looking for a wave 3. However, if we come down and lose that wave 2 low, we'll validate that structure. And what we'll be looking at is we came up and completed wave 5. This is originally what we were looking at, and we'd be looking at the completion of the larger wave 3 right here. And now we'd be putting in a wave 4 pullback. So if that were to be the scenario, I'm going to remove this Fibonacci. What you would do is take your Fib retracement here from the bottom of wave 2. Or sorry guys, from the bottom of wave 2, which is here in this kind of white tannish color, all the way up to the top of your wave 3. And for a wave 4 pullback, your minimum target is the 0.236 at about 82 cents. And your maximum target is about 65 cents. But usually it's going to bounce in between the 0.236 and the 0.382, which is coming in about 0.728 and 0.827. So do watch for that. If we come down and we lose the support here of about 88 cents, and now we're putting in a wave 4 pullback, which is right here. To bring you down in between 65 and 82 cents, but more likely about 72 to about 82 cents. As we pushed up and completed that wave 5, completing the larger wave 3, so I can actually remove all this here. Completing the larger wave 3 and now putting in a corrective wave 4. If we were to bounce on this level and not reach the 0.236, then what we'd have to look at is this indeed was a wave 1. And this was all just a wave 2 pullback of a larger wave 5, where we have an extended wave 5. But if we do come down to 82 cents, then what we're looking at is we completed the wave 3. And we're looking for the wave 4 pullback, and that's our largest wave count, guys. Wave 1, wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, and then see that final wave 5 to the upside before a much larger wave 2 pullback. That would complete the largest wave 1, which would be extremely bullish for Matic, and then we would look for that large wave 2 pullback. Now if we pop over to our next chart, which is here on the daily time frame, we have lost the support of this ascending channel with a massive bearish divergence. So potentially what we'll see here is we pull back, we bounce, we put in the wave 5, we continue to put in that bearish divergence here on the daily RSI as well as the money flow, and then boom, you see that huge wave 2 pullback. Might not be that deep, but you see a wave 2 pullback before seeing the largest wave 2. That's the really bullish scenario for Matic. However, if we come down and we lose this low, then this was all just a relief rally. We did invalidate a potential wave 4 pullback as we broke the 0.5 here. But if we take a Fibonacci from the high down to the low, you'll see we're getting rejected by the 0.5 from the very high down to the low. You can see we came right up and hit resistance on the 0.5. The golden ratio is coming in about $1.24, but we have invalidated the potential wave 4. So we have to focus on the bullish scenario that we're putting in a 5-wave move to the upside. We see a wave 2 pullback, and then we see continuation. The thing you have to remember is Bitcoin controls the market. So if Bitcoin were to make a lower low, it'd have to come down to, like 16, 17K. It couldn't come down much further. If we came down to, 10 to 13K, which I've been watching for, I'm sure Matic would come down and put a lower low, which is still a possibility, but it's the less likely scenario now that we've invalidated a wave 4 pullback. So in the short term, basically for a wave 4, we're looking to come down to at least about 82 cents. If we were to bounce before then we'd have to be looking at an extended wave 5 and an extended wave 3. So we'll see if we come down to that target zone in between about 65 to 82 cents, but more likely in between about 72 to 82 cents for our friend Matic. All right, guys, that is it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits from my leverage trades, for my spot trades, as well as I post my analysis at $10 a month. And you can sign up through the Patreon link. Check out my full link tutorial for trading on Bybit. Up to $4,500 in bonuses over there. Excuse me. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.